Let's do this. It's fun. It's exciting.
Good morning guys and welcome back to Honiara. It has been raining since Monday.
In this video, I'm going to show you how big Honiara is, and later on, we are going to meet one of my music friends.
Hi guys, I'm Nema.
But first things first,
I think I missed coffee way too much this morning, so I'm heading to Breakwater. Breakwater is a famous cafe in Honiara. Ideally located at Honiara's waterfront, Breakwater is just a walking distance from the center of the city. Guys, my iced coffee is here. So, is it cheap? Well, not exactly. This one here costs 35 Solomon Islands dollars, which is about 4 USD. But I feel like it's not something that I need to have it every day while I'm here in Honiara. It's a once in a while thing. Guys, coffee is done. It's now time to explore more parts of Honiara. In one of my videos, one of you guys commented and asked how big is Honiara. So you guys, whatever you see in the background is basically the center of the city. We don't really have big shopping centers, malls and all this. Basically, shops along the main streets of Honiara are pretty much basic, not so fancy. I would say Honiara is not so touristy, if I'm going to be honest. But I feel like what we lack in terms of infrastructure, we do make up for it with the friendly people that you'll meet along the streets. That's one of the very things that I miss about the Solomon Islands when I was in Japan. The friendliness of the people, like it's easy to connect with people, to strike a random conversation. So this is a local cabbage that we normally eat. It's called baira. So last night we have quite a heavy rain and they fell over, so I have to pick them up. Okay, here. This is all the baira that I picked in the backyard. In fact, we had a very big rain last night, causing some flash flooding around the neighborhood. I think there's a power outage as well. Good afternoon guys, I'm heading to the Dreamcast Theatre here in Chinatown.
the DC Art Hub is the only place in Honiara where like-minded youth congregate in the name of art. Today I'm meeting up with some music friends.
Hi guys, I'm Nema and I play fingerstyle, okay? The fingerstyle I play, the technique I play these 3 fingers, these ones for the melody, and I play the thumb for the bass. So that's 6 strings of the acoustic guitar, and I love playing it. So yes, I do love playing fingerstyle, I do love playing guitar, I love music, and I'm gonna repeat this. I saw a quote like 2 weeks ago probably, that says, in order for you to love guitar, you have to love music. So that's it. You guys, I am doing a workshop, acoustic guitar workshop over the Easter weekend. That's Saturday, the 19th, and Monday, 21st. We'll be having 2 courses, beginner's course and the fingerstyle course that is based on my technique actually. And then on Sunday, we have an acoustic guitar gospel event where you can bring your guitar and come jam with us. So we will have some performers on stage, and then we'll sing some gospel songs, worship songs, and then we can all play the guitar together. That is a free event. For the workshop, there's a fee of $100 for those taking fingerstyle, $50 for those taking beginners classes, and it's cheap, you know why? Because it's for 1 whole day. I hope I'm speaking to a lot of guitarists out there too. Come and let's Let's do this. It's fun. It's exciting. Visit my page, okay? I think it's going to be in the caption.
Thank you, Nema, for being part of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.